Alright guys, I'm gonna try to sneak through this construction zone to get to this bayou that's back here. I'm just trying to continue our little urban angling videos. I want to get back here and see if there's any fish in here. So just had to sneak through a couple roadblocks and fences, but I think we'll be alright. So we're here. Good thing it wasn't that long to walk. So get out, wet a line, see if they bite. Trying to see a fish right there eating something. Not a bass, not what we're after. But it seems like it is pretty deep. So we got some running water down there. So I'll probably give it a shot over there, see if they bite. Alright, so we got to make our way across the spillway. Oh, you Mr. Turtle. There he is, look at him. Don't worry, we're not gonna mess with you. So, looks like there's a pretty good spot over there. So we'll make our way across here and fish down there, see if they're biting any. I did see a small bass earlier, so there's bass in here. That's a good sign. So, oh, okay, not that deep. Power of the cracks. Oh. All right, so we'll make our way down here, see if there's anything biting. All right, so here's the thing, guys. Once we got past the construction site, it's kind of like a full-on river down here. A lot of moving water, which is good. And I'm gonna fish right here, right where the water seems to slow down, and it's pretty deep. So thinking there's gonna be a couple bass down there. Just gotta make my way down. It's pretty steep over here. I didn't realize how steep it was. But we're gonna make our way. Oh, I think I see a bass over there. Right there on the bank. Not sure if that's a bass or not. Pretty big fish though. But we're gonna make our way down here and wet a line, because the current kind of slows down here and it kind of makes a couple pockets. Oh dude, monster bass. Monster bass. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna try and focus from up here. Oh my god, there's two of them. Huge bass, guys. Oh my goodness. They are huge. Oh, it's running away. Oh, dude, it's a pack. It's a pack of bass. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right there, right where my rod tip's at, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 6 big bass. There's a big one swimming and a bunch of like 2-pounders with it. Oh, I gotta throw in there. Oh, we had a hit. Okay, all right. They're still there. It wasn't the big one. But they're game. Oh, we got it. Oh, it's not the big one. All right. They're down there. I'm gonna go down. We gotta release this guy anyway, so I'm gonna go down there. Hopefully I don't spook him away. But dude, it's a good amount of bass down there. And there you go. From all the way down there, there's a school of them, and there's some big ones in there. This is probably like maybe the smallest one that was with them. But we're going in. We're hooked up, but I backlashed. We might have lost it. What a horrible time for backlash. Oh no, we're still on. You should have seen the way he was running. Oh, this is a good fish. The way he was running after it. There it is. All right. Yes. All right, good fish. This is probably one of the bigger ones that were out there. But I was saying, it's a school of these guys, man. It's a whole bunch of them. From up there, I counted maybe six. I might have been wrong. But it was at least 6, maybe more. But they're in here schooled up. This is one of the better sized ones that I saw. There was one even bigger than this swimming in the group. So beautiful fish, nice color, fat, healthy, real nice looking fish. So let's get a release. Get a release here. And then get back in there. All right, so what happened, I had cast it up there and I was on some rocks. I was trying to get it in, and while I was reeling it in, I seen somebody chasing, so I stopped and got bit. Alright guys, I promise you dude, it's not the same fish. It's just, they're stacked up in here. I told y'all. When I was standing up there, I seen a pack of them. We found the wolf pack, and they're hidden. I mean, they're all hidden on the Zoom speed crawl. That's all I'm throwing. And right over here on the other side where I'm fishing, the rocks just drop off, and I'm just pitching it in there, and they're just sitting there, and they're eating. So we're just gonna keep fishing till they stop. Good fish. This is a good one. They're hitting it as soon as it hits the water. They're on it. They're all over. Good fish. Oh, barely hooked. Barely hooked. Good fish. Got another one for the books. Alright, I gotta get a new lure. They done went through this one. This is probably the best one of the day. Oh yeah. Nice fish here. Nice fish. Oh yeah. This is probably the leader of that little wolf pack I was telling you. Nice big chunky fish. 2-3 pounds maybe. They're hidden. Thanks for coming out. Like I said, we're just throwing a Texas rig zoom. Oh, buddy. Texas rig zoom speed crawl. I think this is watermelon flake or something like that. Bass candy today. No way, dude, no way. All these fish, they're like super healthy. They probably never even had a lure in their mouth. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Another beautiful fish. Man. I lost count of how many we're on so far. Lost count, but we're gonna just keep going. I mean, geez. Little guy. One of the smaller ones. Alright guys, so on our urban angling expeditions, or urban hookers as I like to call it, we found the spot today. New body of water, had a duck and dodge some construction workers, a couple constables, but we got back here and it paid off. Caught a lot of fish, all in one spot. When we were walking and looking, found like a wolf pack. There's one big girl with them. She was pushing probably about 4 pounds. And then she had a bunch of little 2s and 1s with her. And they were just crushing the Zoom speed crawl. Literally like almost every cast I was catching them. And what I was doing was throwing up on the bank because there was some rocks and then it dropped off. And they were just sitting in there. And every time it hit the water, they were literally just getting all over it. So, good day of fishing. I enjoyed it. It's hot. Only reason I'm calling it a day is because y'all didn't see it, but when I was moving to set up the camera, I fell on the rocks and kind of hurt my ankle. So, I decided to call it a day. So, besides it's hot. So I'm gonna go get something to drink, go home, edit, and upload the video as soon as I can. So once again guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the continued support, and till next time, keep fishing in tight lines.